This vent costs more, but looks invisible. Most people use basic metal floor vents that stick up and instantly stand out. This installer goes with a flush vent design, so the register blends directly into the floor and almost disappears. First, he positions a cutting template over the existing vent opening, making sure it's perfectly aligned in the center. Then he fastens it down so nothing shifts while cutting. Using an oscillating multi-tool, he carefully follows the inner edge of the guide, making a precise rectangular cut slightly wider than the original duct opening. Once the guide is removed, the flooring section lifts out, and a utility knife trims the corners for a sharper finish. After that, a vacuum removes all the dust and loose debris from both the duct and surrounding edges. Next, a black metal frame is placed into the opening, sitting slightly below the surface level of the floor. Finally, a matching floor insert locks into the frame, and a few tiny knife adjustments make everything sit perfectly flush.